Hi students, this is second standard mathematics. In previous chapter we learned addition. So today we are going to learn the chapter of subtraction. Here we have topics. First topic, definition and properties of subtraction. Second topic, subtraction by regrouping. Here we have two subtopics. First one, subtracting a one-digit number from a two-digit number. Second subtopic, subtracting a two-digit number from another two-digit number. Third topic, linking addition and subtraction. Here also we have two subtopics. First one, using subtraction to find the missing number in addition. Second subtopic, checking subtraction with addition. Fourth topic, word problems on addition or subtraction. Now let's go for the first topic, definition and properties of subtraction. What is meant by subtraction? The subtraction means taking away from the group of number or things is called subtraction. In other words, subtraction is the process of finding how many are left when some are taken away. The sign of subtraction is minus. Here we have some important points. When we subtract, the number of things in the group reduces or becomes less. Next, subtraction is the opposite or inverse operation of addition. Now let's go for the example. Here we have question. The question is, Rohit has 16 toys. He gives 7 toys to his brother. Now how many toys does Rohit have remaining? Rohit has 16 toys. He gives 7 toys to his brother. After he gives 7 toys to his brother, the current toys decreasing with Rohit. Here we see the number 16 minus 7 is equal to 9. Now let us understand what is called minuend, subtrahend and difference. Here the number of 16 is called minuend, which is subtracted from minuend. The number 7 is called subtrahend. After subtraction operation, the number 9 is called difference. The number 16 minus 7 is equal to 9. Thus, Rohit has 9 toys remaining. Next, let's solve another example. Properties of subtraction. Property 1. Subtracting 0. When we subtract 0 from a number, the difference will be the number itself. In this property, 0 is always taken as the subtrahend. Let us take the number 9 and 0. When we subtract 0 from 9, we get the difference 9. Here the number it is showing. Example, 9 minus 0 is equal to 9. 17 minus 0 is equal to 17. 100 minus 0 is equal to 100. Next, property 2. Subtracting number itself. When we subtract a number from itself, the difference is 0. Let us take the number 6 and 6. If we subtract 6 from 6, that is, we subtract 6 from itself, we get the answer 0. Here let's take the number for example. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. 11 minus 11 is equal to 0. 100 minus 100 is equal to 0. Next, property 3. Subtracting 1. When we subtract 1 from a number, then the difference is the number before. That means, here similar sentence to know well. If we subtract 1 from any digit, then we will get previous digit of minuend. Here, let's take the example. The number is 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. 29 minus 1 is equal to 28. 100 minus 1 is equal to 99. So this is our first topic. I hope you understand about this. Now let's go for the next topic, subtracting by regrouping. Subtracting a one-digit number from a two-digit number. This is first subtopic. Here subtracting by operation only happen when minuend is smaller than subtrahend. Here we have question. The question is, Ramesh had 24 crayons. He gave 5 crayons to his friend. Now how many crayons were left with Ramesh? Let us look at the process of subtraction of this number 24 minus 5. Now write the numbers according to the place value. Subtract the ones, as 4 is less than 5. So we cannot subtract 5 from 4. So we need regroup the 2 tens to 1 tens plus 10 ones. Now write 1 in the tens column and 10 plus 4 to get 14 ones. Write 14 in the ones column. Next, second step, same question continue. Subtract 14 minus 5 to get 9 ones. Write 9 in the ones column. Subtract the tens. 1 minus 0 to get 1 tens. Now write 1 in the tens column. So we got the answer as 19. The number 24 minus 5 is equal to 19. Thus Ramesh has 19 crayons left with him. Next, subtracting by regrouping. Second subtopic, subtracting a 2-digit number from another 2-digit number. Here, let's take the question for example. What is the question here? The question is, there are 32 plants in the roses garden. She has watered 19 of them. Now, how many more plants does she have to water? Let us solve this question. There are 32 plants in the roses garden. She watered 19 of them. Now we have to subtract 19 from 32 to get the answer. First, we write the number as per the place value. As we cannot subtract 9 from 2. So we need regroup the 3 tens. So we get 3 tens is equal to 2 tens plus 10 ones. Now write 2 in the tens column and 10 plus 2 to get 12 ones. We write 12 in the ones column. Next, step 2, same question continue. Subtract 12 minus 9 is equal to 3 ones. Write 3 in the ones column. Now subtract tens. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 tens. Write 1 in the tens column. So we got the answer as 13. The number 32 minus 19 is equal to 13. Thus Roses has to water 13 more plants. Next, important points to remember. Let us discuss about these important points. Here we need to know some important points. If minuend is greater than subtrahend is equal to, that will be normal subtraction operation, no regrouping. And if minuend is equal to subtrahend, that means difference 0, no regrouping. But if minuend is less than subtrahend is equal to with regrouping operation. Now here let's take the question. The question is, Raymond has 53 pencils. His sister took 23 pencils from him. Now how many pencils does Raymond have remaining? First, let us arrange the digit based on the place value and find out the answer. Here we see the two examples, correct and incorrect answer. Let us discuss first example, left side one. Here in the ones column, 3 minus 3, and in the tens column, 5 minus 2. Regroup 5 tens to 4 tens plus 10 ones. Now subtract 13 minus 3 is equal to 10, and 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Here the answer is 210. So this answer is wrong. We should not do regroup here. Now let's discuss second example. 3 minus 3 in the ones column, 5 minus 2 in the tens column. Subtract 3 minus 3 is equal to 0 in the ones column. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 in the tens column. The number 53 minus 23 is equal to 30. Now we got the answer 30. This is correct answer with regrouping operation. Thus Raman still has 30 pencils remaining. Now let's go for the next, linking addition and subtraction. For subtopic, using subtraction to find the missing number in addition. Here we have question. The question is, what should be added to 13 to get 25? 13 plus unknown is equal to 25. Here, counting how many we need to get to the sum. We have 13 plus some number is equal to 25. We started count 13 and go up to the 25. So we need 12 to get to the 25. Now find the missing number, subtract the given number. Here we have 25 numbers and taken away 13 is 12. The number 25 minus 13 is equal to 12. 13 plus 12 is equal to 25. So here the answer is correct. Next, linking addition and subtraction. Second subtopic, checking subtraction with addition. Here we have question. The question is, Rajiv has a box of 49 apples. He took out 24 apples. Now how many apples are left in the box? Let us find out how many apples are left in the box. Find the number 49 minus 24. Here we see the number 49 minus 24 is equal to 25. And another one, 25 plus 24 is equal to 49. So we can add and subtract apples the same way we add or subtract two-digit number. And remember of the plus or minus sign. Here the number 49 minus 24. In the ones column, 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. In the tens column, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. The number 49 minus 24 is equal to 25. Here the bigger number is 49, smaller number 24, difference 25. Now let us check it out the answer. We obtain the difference as 25. Which is the smaller number between 49 and 24? Here, yes, the 24 is smaller. Now, add the smaller number with difference. The sum obtains 49. So here, 25 is difference, 24 is smaller, and 49 is bigger. Look at the sum, it is same. As the bigger of the two number we have given, so therefore the result of the subtraction is correct. Thus there are 25 apples left in the box. Now let's go for the next topic, word problems on addition or subtraction. What do you have to do to solve a problem, add or subtract? First, let us understand addition operation. If you see word like in all, altogether, and total in the question, then you use addition, plus sign. Let us take the question for example. The question is, Johnny has 24 red roses and 52 yellow roses. Now how many roses does Johnny have in all? The number 24 red roses, 52 yellow roses. Let us find out the sum of the digit 24 plus 52. The sum of the digit 24 plus 52 is equal to 76. Now Johnny has 76 roses in all. Now let's go for the next word problems on addition or subtraction. Let us understand about this subtraction operation. If you see word like less, more, less and difference in the question, then you use subtraction, the sign minus. Here we have question. The question is, Sumit has 15 books, Rina has 10 books. Now how many more books does Sumit have? Sumit has 15 books, Rina has 10 books. Here we have to subtract 10 from 15 to get the answer. The number 15 minus 10 is equal to 5. Now we got the answer 5. Thus Sumit has 5 more books than Rina. So I hope you have understand all this topic in this subtraction chapter. Thank you.